Hey there, if you're a truck owner, you know how important a good truck bed cover is, whether it's to protect your gear from weather, keep your cargo secure, or just upgrade your truck's look. But let's be real, not all covers are created equal. Some are flimsy, others are a pain to install, and plenty don't hold up when the rain or dust hits. So today we're breaking down the 6 best truck bed covers of 2025, covering what makes each one stand out, who they're perfect for, and why they're worth your attention. Check out the links in the description for easy shopping options. Let's dive in. Number 6. TruXedo TruXport. Starting off our list at number 6 is the TruXedo TruXport, hands down one of the best budget-friendly soft roll-up covers you can find. If you're a casual truck owner who wants something simple, lightweight, and affordable, this cover fits the bill perfectly. It's made with durable vinyl fabric that stands up well to everyday wear and tear. The roll-up design is super straightforward. You can quickly open or close it in seconds without any hassle. It fits most standard full-size trucks and installs easily with a no-drill clamp-on system, so no trips to the mechanic or complicated tools required. One of the standout features is its weather-resistant seals that help keep rain and dust out, so your gear stays dry and protected. While it won't offer the same level of security as a hard cover, it's a solid choice for light to moderate protection on a budget. Pros is very user-friendly and priced well for what you get. Cons: vinyl can wear down over time, and it's not the most secure option if you're hauling valuable stuff. If you want an easy, affordable way to cover your truck bed without fuss, the TruXedo TruXport is a smart pick. Number 5. BAKFlip MX4. Coming in at number 5 is the BAKFlip MX4, a top-tier, hard-folding truck bed cover that perfectly balances durability with sleek, modern style. If you're after a cover that looks great and stands up to the elements, this one deserves your attention. The MX4 features durable aluminum panels with a matte finish that not only resist dents and scratches, but also give your truck a sharp, professional look. Its 4-panel design means you get easy folding access to your bed. You can quickly open up just the section you need without having to roll or remove the whole cover. Integrated weather seals lock out dust, dirt, and water, so your cargo stays protected no matter what the forecast says. Heavy-duty clamps secure the cover tightly to your truck, giving you peace of mind that it won't budge on the road. What we love most is how it combines solid security with convenient daily use. Plus, it comes backed by a lifetime warranty. That's confidence you don't see every day. On the flip side, it's heavier than soft covers and sits at a higher price point. But if premium protection, style, and reliability matter to you, the BAKFlip MX4 is a fantastic investment. Number 4. Lund Genesis Elite. At number 4, we have the Lund Genesis Elite, a rugged, retractable aluminum truck bed cover that brings a modern edge to tough, reliable protection. If you want something that looks sharp but doesn't compromise on security or durability, this cover fits the bill. The Genesis Elite features strong anodized aluminum slats that resist dents and corrosion while keeping your cargo safe. Its retractable design smoothly rolls the cover into a compact canister at the front of the bed, giving you quick and easy access whenever you need it. Security is a priority here with a lockable mechanism that keeps your belongings protected from theft. Plus, weather-resistant seals and an integrated drainage system make sure water and dirt stay out, no matter the weather. What really stands out is how smoothly this cover operates. It glides open and close without any hassle, making daily use effortless. The sleek design complements your truck's look while delivering excellent weatherproofing and durability. On the downside, it's a pricier option and installation might require some tools or professional help to get it just right. This one's perfect for truck owners who want a smart blend of convenience, security, and style all in one package. Number 3. RetraxPRO XR. Coming in at number 3 is the RetraxPRO XR, a professional-grade retractable truck bed cover built for serious users who want the best in durability, security, and convenience. This cover is made from impact-resistant polycarbonate panels that can take a beating while protecting your cargo. It fully retracts into a compact housing just behind your truck's cab, so you get full bed access without any hassle. Security is top-notch thanks to an integrated locking system, keeping your gear safe from theft. The low-profile design not only looks sleek, but also improves your truck's aerodynamics, helping with fuel efficiency. Plus, weather-tight seals ensure your cargo stays dry and protected no matter the conditions. One of the best things about the RetraxPRO XR is how smoothly it retracts, making daily use easy and efficient. It requires very little maintenance and is built to last. On the downside, this is a heavier cover and comes with a higher price tag, but for those who need a no-compromise, professional-level solution, it's worth every penny. Perfect for professionals and serious truck owners who demand durability and top-tier features. Number 2. Extang Solid Fold 2.0. At number 2, we have the Extang Solid Fold 2.0, a highly rated tri-fold hard cover that strikes the perfect balance between strength and simplicity. This cover features heavy-duty aluminum panels finished in sleek matte black, giving your truck a rugged yet refined look. Its tri-fold design means you get quick, partial access to your truck bed without needing to fully remove the cover, super convenient for loading smaller items on the fly. Extang didn't skip on weather protection either. The SolidFold 2.0 comes with weather-tight seals and secure clamps that keep water, dust, and debris out, so your cargo stays dry and safe. Installation is a breeze too, with no drilling required for most truck models. You can have it set up in no time without any permanent modifications. This cover combines the toughness of a hard cover with the quick accessibility that many users love. It's very secure, easy to install, and backed by a solid warranty for peace of mind. The only trade-off is it's not quite as compact as retractable covers when folded, but for many, the security and ease of use make it a great choice. Ideal for truck owners who want hardcover security but still need quick fold-up access. Number 1. UnderCover Ultra Flex. And finally, at number 1, the UnderCover Ultra Flex takes the crown as the best overall truck bed cover of 2025. This cover features heavy-duty aluminum panels, but what really sets it apart is its unique hinge system that offers full flexibility. Unlike traditional folding covers, the Ultra Flex can bend and fold with ease, giving you quick access to your entire truck bed without sacrificing security or weatherproofing. Despite its flexible design, the Ultra Flex seals tight against the elements, keeping rain, dust, and debris out no matter the conditions. Its low-profile, sleek design doesn't just protect, it enhances your truck's aesthetics, giving it a clean, modern look that blends seamlessly with any style. Installation is a breeze with a no-drill setup that means no permanent modifications to your truck. Plus, UnderCover backs this cover with a lifetime warranty, reflecting confidence in the quality and durability of their product. This cover is the ultimate blend of security, durability, weather resistance, and ease of use. It's lightweight yet tough, stylish yet practical, making it the perfect choice for anyone wanting the best all-around truck bed cover. Sure, the price is on the higher side, but the features and build quality more than justify the investment. So if you're looking for a cover that offers everything you need without compromise, the UnderCover Ultra Flex is your top pick for 2025. So there you have it. From budget-friendly soft roll-ups like the TruXedo TruXport, all the way to premium hard covers like the UnderCover Ultra Flex, this list covers the best truck bed covers of 2025 to suit every need and budget. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your favorite cover or share your own truck bed cover experiences. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and buying guides. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.